hope you don't know me. My name is Thomas. I live on a rally called Island of Sodor, where all the little shunter engines and our types of locomotives. Some were diesel, some were uh, rolling cars, some were coach riders. Even though they have a lot of jobs, that's only one. It means all kinds of jobs of railway. Even though they like to pull heavy trains like everyone. Even tender engines down by the docks. Even though something cranky were at the harbors working. Even though I was a rail supervisor. Can't you tell me easy? Or wasn't one? You guys don't know. But you can't tell me what the engines do. When I say this is a great rally, they used to pull heavy trains, giant trains, small trains, because they pull rolling stock. 8 types of locomotives are electric, steam, and diesel. And I know I'm a tank engine. I can't tell. There's worse way. Well, it wasn't. It can't be true. Not even fireworks or any and stuff. Which is I know what I heard. It wasn't for me. It wasn't for all of us. Shut up, tank engine. Well, I'm Godfrey and I run this railway for the mountain railway. You cannot think about it, idiot boy. Or should I say, idiot train? I shouldn't know. I cannot even think about it first.
This is why I never heard that was so rude. I was a fire back. Look, Thomas, let's beam up like whack and back, right?
Yeah, I'm afraid so. Any ideas? Everything, Thomas. Everything. I can pick back Godric from the mountain rally. What should I ever do with that thing? Maybe any ideas? Like a doctrine or age of some bomb cars or Alfred, if that's exploded last time, or maybe anything, or maybe the same. I'll just think it out.
Thomas, stop! I know what you're doing! Oh no! Sally, what's going on in there? Don't you know I was talking about revenge on Godric? Because he's rude to me, Thomas. But I did not realize that Godric wants to tell me sorry because he was rude. I shouldn't have sat down so sort really. Godric was very sorry about that. Then I'll be accepted. Godric, sorry. So thanks, Sally.